So guys, we found a metro, not the transportation one, but the wholesale market. And we're right next to the main road over there. We're gonna have our breakfast once the shop opens up in a bit. Have some nice fruits. I've been waiting for this. We found coconuts on the way, but by the way, we ate coconuts and a banana. So yeah, keep you guys updated. So guys, you wouldn't believe it. Metro doesn't accept customers without a Metro card, and to get a Metro card you need like a business, I forget, you need like something that only business people have. You need to have a business, which is like, why? So we asked where we can find fruits, and they told us to keep walking, and we came to this Purna Mart, I guess that's what it's called. It's like
You can put it normal, no?
Yeah, waiting for the shop to open so we can eat fruits. So we got so many of these taxis stop for us, these mini taxis they have this year.
Yes,
And
little also good.
one of them picked us up by Hitchhike. Every single one, like at least 50 of them stopped. And everyone was like, no, we told them we don't have money, we're just hitchhiking. And they're like, but this guy, thank you. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, and let's see where he takes us until. Continue hitchhiking.
Sorry?
He's taking a video.
That's the metro work in progress right now.
Metro?
Yes, metro.
Underground?
Metro station.
Ah, okay. Hey bro, what's your name?
My name is Santosh Pardeshi.
Thank you, Sadush. Thank you so much for taking us.
Yes, good. And wish you best luck for your next journey.
Thank you so much. Can you tell me something worth living for?
I am living in Mumbai.
Something worth living for. What makes you happy in life?
In life, we'll do the prayers, do the lots of playing games.
What kind of games?
Games of volleyball, football and kabaddi.
Very nice, very nice.
Enjoy your life. Game of India.
Nice. What's it?
Kabaddi.
Kabaddi. Okay,
Right.
okay.
And
Thank you so much, bro. So nice to meet you.
Man. Happy journey.
Thank you. Studying or working?
Studied and he's working now.
Very nice. We got another ride. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dude. It's this cutest little car that picked us up and brought us all the way here. I don't know where we are, but the sun is burning and it's so hot and there's more tree and nature. Let's go. Oh wow. Food. Food. Another one stopped. This is so cool. We're getting on from the driver's side, which is the funny part. Alright, we're in. So let me show you guys what it looks like inside of a truck in India. You've seen it in Turkey. Now, here it is. Hitchhiking in India! So we stopped for some gas and now there's some like peace and quiet here. I don't have to scream at you guys while talking. But yeah. This is the inside of the truck. So amazing, hitchhike, and we don't speak the language, Hindi, and he doesn't speak English, and we were trying to communicate about where he's going to. And he said Himachal, but we're not sure. Is he saying I am from Himachal, or is he saying I'm going to? Because if he said I'm going to, that's like 5 seconds to Haridwar. Yeah, like it's gonna take us the whole way. Or if he's from there, so we're just gonna, I guess, just wait, and as soon as he gets off the road, if he does, we'll be like, yeah, this is our spot. Yeah, keep you guys updated. So we stopped here, where they check trucks' weight and stuff when we're waiting in line for a while. We got like 100 kilometers away from Mumbai, and we're gonna keep going. We stopped and there's this drink they're selling, this one. It's like, we saw some palm trees that have like cut places with the collectors in them. I think it's like palm sap syrup or something, but it smells fermented, so we didn't try it. Yeah, this is so interesting. Just look at the scene around me. This is our food. We stopped at some gas station. There's so many packaged foods in India, I don't know why. And yeah, continue to enjoy our lives. Good morning, happy campers! So, here we are. I think we're near the city of Ahmedabad. And there should be like around 800 kilometers left for New Delhi or something, but yeah, we're in the middle of nowhere and there's an interesting jungle around. I actually just woke up and the truck was stopped and the driver wasn't here, but the driver's so nice. Last night he stopped at some point because he had to sleep as well. And we all just squished into the I'll show you this place. We all just somehow just fit in there at 1 a.m. And then I think I woke up and it was like sunrise and he was driving. And now it's around 10. But yeah, we're gonna continue to keep going. So happy we got this ride. It's like a 1,400 or 1,300 kilometer ride. And we've been in this truck for more than 24 hours now. Yeah. So let's keep going. And we stopped again. Driver went for some food. And I'm looking for a fruit shop, and there's so many food shops, like cooked food, but they're all like packaged stuff and cooked foods, but no fruits. So interesting. I thought India would have more fruits, only in the markets apparently. So off I go to find a market in this Indian land. No shoes. So I went around and found some fruit. This baby watermelon, baby melon, and then big melon, bananas, and it's like 30 rupees for a kilo of this. And now we're going through the town. Let me show you guys around. Cow, hello cow, holy cow. Hold up. Why they say holy cow? Because cows are holy in India. a whole bunch of trucks, me waiting. Oh, and Grim's coming. The watermelon. Let's see what it looks like. So that's where we stopped. I think he went to eat food. I was sleeping. I don't know where he went. And shops everywhere. Such a different place. Such a different place. We found the Bazaar of India. Oh wait, we just walked out of it though. I'll show you again when we find it. It's over there. Grapes, yay! Thank you. 50. Thank you. Just bought some grapes. Now going back. Yeah, when they see the camera, they increase the price. But when there's no camera, they say normal price. And if they see the camera, I just insist that they go down, and they go down. And the guy's back in the truck, so let's go. I think we're gonna be on this truck on the road for another 2 days. We make a total of 4 days, I think. The bird is flying with us. But yeah, still haven't gotten internet. Since I came to India, I haven't connected to the internet. I asked about prices for a SIM card. I think it's around like somewhere between $4 and $8 for a month with 1.5 gigs in a day. And mate.
Yes, please.
Yeah, thank you for the mate. Boom boom. We stopped at a restaurant. He eats 3 times a day, I think, 3 meals a day. We're learning his schedule. He sleeps around 1 a.m., wakes up with sunrise, and then takes a nap around noontime for 2 hours. Before the nap he eats, after the nap he eats, and then late at night, like not late, but at night he eats. Yeah, that's 3 meals, and we're adapting to his schedule because we're getting on the wait for him for a few days. We're nearing Delhi actually. We're close. We're like more than halfway done. And we fill our thermoses in restaurants when he stops, and water is free. And they also give us water. Maybe say hello. Hello. No one. Okay. Everyone's in shock. So it's day 3 with our driver. I think we're gonna be arriving in Jaipur today. He's gonna drop us off there. We're gonna continue, but yeah, they were selling. Ooh, dog. They were selling these things on the side of the street. Apparently they're called Jaipur, and I was like, "Can we stop? Can we stop? Can I buy some?" And I got some. Really cool. How does it taste? Good. All right, let's try it. So we stopped here, and we thought he was gonna have breakfast. But no, it's for a shower, and apparently they just have like some well of water where you can just wash yourself. It's not amazing. And we're like 100 kilometers away from Jaipur, where he's gonna drop us off, I think. So let's keep going and enjoy our lives. And it's so hot, it's like wow. It reminds me of my childhood, growing up in the desert, Saudi Arabia. And I want to show you where I grew up in the area. There's a lot of these plants, and now there's some here too. So it's the same climate, same heat. We going? Okay. So I guess this is not the place for the shower. So we keep going. So we stopped here, and someone gave us this thing to smoke. I don't know what it is. Thank you, bro. Amazing. They even have the shower. There's like public shower kind of thing.
My name is Sera.
Sarah, nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What's your name?
Joravar.
Joravar. Very nice. And now we're learning Hindi. This is Ka ja rahe ho. It means where are you going? Thank you for teaching us, teacher. Bye bye. So nice to meet you. And yeah, we smoked some Uzarlik seeds, Harmala. Apparently, that was some very interesting experience. We smoked the Uzarlik. We smoked the Harmala.
Where?
This one they bring us, it's Harmala. So interesting birds and cows everywhere. So beautiful.
Fast. 1-2 day maximum. I wanna wash it. I wanna wash it. I don't care. It's typical Indian bardak.
And one more fruit for later.
No, it's
That
heavy.
was breakfast. No, that was
Heavy
lunch.
fruit.
Lunch. That was lunch. That was the second meal.
Kom show, блин.
Mare kuchut burgerin Mumbai chikre gurochun da Haridwar. Ашига крайче, хамаки поворот. Лереган бари жидоко да бе.
Коротко о том, что произошло с нами за прошедшее время. На
Джакритин
неизвестном никому языке. Нет, известном, если они не разговаривают.
Up volume. Volume up да крайче.
Volume up.
You
Volume up.
Крайчен да багрел, глокорчик ба тай на мото. Корочкро камера маже turn. Корочкро road. Медекчкро hitchhike lift. Корочкро. Truck stop करके truck को जा रहे हो करेगा हिमाचल और करेगा हरिद्वार ओके करेगा let's go backpack करेगा sit today
Sleep. Camera sleep.
still recording
Okay.
attention погода
Don't care, camera sleep, but still recording.
you see red light okay bye bye camera que chente poco
Bye.
stop video. So apparently that's where people stop and wash their clothes and bathe. That public water that's always flowing, that doesn't stay stagnant. And we're here where the trucks stop and where people smoke and spend time and eat and rest. The tables turn into beds and you can sleep on the bed and sleep on the table. Eat on the table and sleep on the bed. There's dogs sleeping and there's grin. It's such an interesting place. And now he's going until Jaipur, which is another 100 kilometers I think, and then from Jaipur to where? From Jaipur to Haridwar, it's another like 300, 400 kilometers. So let's go. Hitchhike. Bye. To Haridwar. Alright guys, so we got stopped and I think we're very close to Jaipur, like less than 58 kilometers. Your turn for Tetris. And the police stopped us and they wanted to check his driving license or something and said red light, something, I don't understand. But they looked at us and smiled and went on, so that was nice. And now sun's setting and we should be going soon. We just got dropped off in the but near Jaipur. Now we're gonna keep hitchhiking. But first I want to find some fruits. Thank you bro, bye bye truck. Oh, we ate bananas, so good. And yeah, wow. Thank you. Let me continue.